Come join me for a most excellent adventure. Today, I have been on the river for a couple of hours. I'm doing really good, and I think the video is going to be awesome. I'm not done yet. It has been a lot of fun. I found some good stuff. You know what that is? Yes, you do. Come on in. At least you can get the last half of the hunt with me. Yay! My first pair of sunglasses for the day. I have only been here about 5 minutes. Well, I see something in a bag down there. I think it might be a phone. Let us go and check it out. That was kind of weird with the phone, the glasses, and some jewelry. Oh, jewels. I guess that is an earring. I do not really know. Yeah, I think the phone is probably wet. It looks like it is wet inside the bag. Maybe not. I do not know. And it is dry. We will pop it out later on and take a look at it. Aw, this little fishy down here, think he died. Yeah, I would say he died. I figure probably an eagle ate him, or an osprey, by the looks of it. I think I have a camera down here behind me. I saw a carabiner. It looks like some sort of camera, but not a GoPro. Now, for all you guys that are a little bit slow, keep in mind, I'm not filming with the recovery of this camera, with the camera that's actually on the bottom right now. I am holding a different camera, just in case there is some neat footage on it. Let us go get it. It looks like it is probably dry inside. I don't know for sure, but if it has an SD card in it, that will work just fine. So we will have a little mystery for us to solve. What do you say? In one of my earlier videos, I pointed out these weird egg masses right here. Someone told me that they are actually hellgrammite. Well, not hellgrammite, but Dobson fly eggs which turn into hellgrammite when they hit the water. That is exactly what they are, and I appreciate you giving me the heads up on that. I'm sorry, just offhand, I can't remember who you are, but you know who you were, and I really do appreciate the help with that. I think we have another phone up here, but it's probably flooded. I don't think it's in a bag. I'm not sure what the heck that is, but it's definitely flooded. Weird. Ermagerd. I found a Slurpee. We know what that is. I think it's number 7. That is going to be nice and dry. It looks good inside. Hopefully, when it was lost, it was on. It is hard to say for sure, but we'll find out. Well, I think they are Oakleys, but they are toasted. Well, that is one huge phone. I don't think the bag did it much good though. Life proof? I guess that's an iPhone, eh? That is at least a couple of them I have found today so far. That one is definitely toasted though. Cool. Now here is a real heartbreaker. Not that I am complaining. Yep, that is a dead one for sure. Oh, look at the hellgrammite. You do remember the hellgrammites, don't you? There is a nice one right there. Yeah, that is too bad. Oh well, he is not going, is he? He likes his home. There you go, buddy. Ouch. He got me. Haha, he will be safe underneath that rock. Well, I guess my good deed paid off with the hellgrammite, because I just found the rest of the GoPro, I do believe. I'm sure it is no good, but at least we can get the card off of it. Let us see what carnage happened on the river here. And that thing is huge. Look at how big it is. Cool. I think there is a wino on this river. I think I have a first pocket knife. Well, was it worth the effort? Probably not. I guess you saw that iPhone. I couldn't get down to it because the current was too swift, so I'm working my way back upstream. I got swept out about 20 yards or maybe 30 yards. I'm having a rough time staying down. I guess I'm getting tired and will have to call it a day. I will grab those glasses right there and that iPhone and work my way back. That iPhone is right directly below me. The current's a little swift here, but we will give it another shot. Yep, that is what it is. That is a life-proof case, and another flooded iPhone. It is a good thing they had a string on them so they didn't lose them. Ray-Bans. It never ceases to amaze me what people bring out here on the river. Let us go check it out. Well, if I find some butter and some toast. So, I had an awesome day today. I have a ton of sunglasses, most of them are going to be junk. But I will haul them off the river and put them on my fence. I did get a few pairs of Ray-Bans, and I got some Oakleys there. I got at least 3 iPhones and another phone. I'm not sure what kind that is. Most of the phones are flooded. I think that one is going to be okay. Also ended up with 2 GoPro's. That one is perfect. It is going to work just fine. That one's flooded. We will at least get the cart out of there and see if there was some big river accident where he lost it, and that might be exciting to see. I also got a nice waterproof camera that I think is going to be okay. And a slingshot and just a bunch of other stuff. It was an awesome day. It really was.